Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to my channel. So tomorrow we have a Mathematics 2 paper, Osman University Mathematics 2 supplementary paper, correct? So what topics we have to practice? Now we have very less time. Those who started practicing today or yesterday evening onwards, what topics they have to practice and quickly how to get passing marks, at least minimum passing marks, how to get. We will discuss in this video, okay? So total we have 5 units that you know. So first unit is what matrices, and second unit is differential equation, and third unit is what linear differential equations, higher order, linear differential equation, higher order. Then fourth unit is what legendary polynomials and beta gamma functions, beta and gamma functions. The fifth unit is what Laplace transforms. Correct. These are the 5 units which we have in Mathematics 2 syllabus. Okay. So now what we have to do? My sincere advice is what you select any 2 units and practice full 2 units all topics. So now for a short time period. Okay, suppose if you want to do matrices, so matrices completely you have to spend minimum 4 hours. Minimum 4 hours you have to spend. So in that, what topics you have to practice? First you have to practice consistency problems, consistent, check for solving system of linear equation. Consistent problems you have to solve. If you solve consistent problem, this also cover rank of a matrix. This topic already covered rank of a matrix. Why? Because we have to convert this echelon form equations into matrix form, then we have to find rank and we have to solve. So if you solve the consistent problems, then you get rank also. Then coming to next topic, you have to find eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Eigenvalues and eigenvectors topics you have to practice. Okay, then we have Cayley-Hamilton theorem. That's it. Cayley-Hamilton theorem, inverse and all is there. If you practice, that is enough. So eigenvalues, eigenvectors also cover canonical form or diagonalization. Also cover canonical form and diagonalization. That means if you practice directly canonical form problems, so one is same roots, we get same roots, and one problem is different roots. Okay, canonical form already contains eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So two problems will cover here. Then consistency will cover rank. Then Cayley-Hamilton theorem will have to find A inverse, and A power 4. Correct. So then matrices will be over. So minimum 4 hours you have to spend for matrices and solve these problems. Consistency problem, check for consistent. Then second topic, you can directly go for orthogonal transformation by using canonical form. In that topic, you will get eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Then unit, then Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So this is full unit, and you go for 2-mark question also. So simply he's asking rank or properties of eigenvalues. Otherwise, define something, then go through those properties. System of he will give you symmetric and non-symmetric, and he will give the equation. He will give you one quadratic form, and he will ask you to convert into matrix form. Those problems, short answers you have to do. So this is for matrices. Okay, then next one, you select any another unit. Suppose if you want to select a differential equation, so differential equation, what topics we have? We have integrating factor methods, correct? So how many methods are there? Integrating factor, 4 methods are there. Integrating factor, 4 methods. One is homogeneous, we have. Then second one y into f of xy plus x into f of xy is there. Then third one is what? Dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x by m, or dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y by n. So like this, some here n and here m. Okay, so these two formulas are there. So from these two integrating, from these 4 integrating factors, he is giving one problem guarantee. Correct. So here also you have to spend minimum 4 hours. You have to spend. So 4 hours full one topic you have to do. 1 hour 1 unit, 1 hour 1 unit. Don't do like that. So if you spend more time on one unit, no, then you will be clearly you will understand the problems. Then you have Riccati's method is there. Then what we have next one we have 4 types are over. Integrating factor 4 types. Then we have Riccati's. Then we have orthogonal trajectories. If you want to go for LE Bernoulli is asking very rare cases. So if you want to go, if you have a time, you go there. If you want to cover full unit, second unit, so minimum these topics you have to practice, and short answer. So till here you are getting 14 marks, one long answer, pakka, and here you are getting 114 marks, 28. So he will give you sometimes 7 marks additionally. So 28 plus 7, 35. Then short answers, if you covered all 5 units, that is more than enough. You will get 30 to 40 marks. Because we have a very less time, those who have a backlog, you just practice, at least go through these 2 units perfectly. Otherwise, if you want to go for unit 3, so what is unit 3? So unit 3 also very simple unit. Unit 3, linear differential equation higher order. So in this, what we have here also, you have to spend 4 hours time. So minimum 4 hours you have to spend. So first topic, what you have to find, 5 types we have, no? 5 types we have. Finding particular integral method is there. So complementary function and the particular integral you have to find. So complementary function for all problems it is same, correct? Complementary function for all problems it is same. Only you have to find 5 particular integral of 5 types. In that, fourth type is important. Fourth type is very very important, ma. Fourth type important one. Important fourth type, and third type also sometimes he will give you. So second type, including with the second type and all. So then you have method of variation of parameters. Then compulsory question he is asking Euler-Cauchy. Why he is asking Euler-Cauchy? Euler-Cauchy will cover all the 5 methods. Euler-Cauchy will cover all the 5 methods. So compulsory, this is also he is asking Euler-Cauchy method. 100% he is asking one question, ma. So 5 types may, if you have a time, if you want to do unit 3 full unit, so 5 types particular integral, method of variation of parameters, and Euler-Cauchy's. So sometimes he is giving 3 7 marks questions. So that means 1 14 marks, 1 7 marks he is coming, ma. 1 short answer. So 23 marks this unit covers, and matrices will cover 23 marks will cover. So 23 46. We need only 30 marks, 28 to 30 marks we need. If you get some mistakes and all, they will cut and they will give you 30 marks. So my advice is what, we have very less time. You select any 2 units perfectly and you have to practice all the methods. In my previous videos, clearly I explained all the topics. Please go through it and practice it. And remaining 3 units, you have to practice 2 marks questions also. So 5 to we have 7 2 marks, 14. From that 14, minimum we have to get 10. And this from 21 42, if you get minimum 25 also, you get 35 marks. Correct? So this is about third unit what we have to practice. Then coming to polynomials and beta gamma functions. So we have Legendre polynomials and Bessel's polynomial. So I didn't explain Legendres and Bessel's, a little bit lengthy parts and all. I explained clearly beta gamma functions. If you want to go through beta gamma functions, you go through. Otherwise, you can go for another 5th unit. Then coming to Laplace transforms. So 5th unit, Laplace transforms. So what topics you have to practice in Laplace transforms, ma? Laplace transforms. So Laplace transforms, minimum you have to spend 4 hours. So first you have to go through the 2 marks questions, properties of Laplace transform. So properties, he is asking multiplication property, division property, and Laplace transform of integrals. Laplace transform of integrals we have. This is the minimum, multiplication, division. Then shifting property also he is asking, ma. Shifting property. Then inverse Laplace transforms. Inverse Laplace transform using partial fractions and convolution theorem. Then Laplace transform to ordinary differential equation. This is compulsory question he is asking. Ordinary differential equation, Laplace transform to ordinary differential equations. So many papers continuously he is asking, ma. Correct? If you want to practice full unit of Laplace transform, so you have to cover these all topics. Okay, so total 5 units we have. Select minimum 2 units, full units, and remaining any 1 unit or 2 unit, you at least cover half of the topics which you get regularly. You get the questions like the Laplace transform, ordinary differential equations, or types problem, or Riccati's orthogonal trajectory, or here variation of parameter, Euler-Cauchy. Like that you have to practice. So target is what? We have to get minimum 28 to 30 marks to clear this paper, right? To clear this paper. So target is what? Short answers, 7 2s are 14. So minimum we should get 20. So long answers, 14 into 2, 14 into 2, 28. Here minimum you should get 14. Then 1 7 marks he will give you. So 1 7 marks if he give you, So you should get minimum 4 marks. So you'll get approximately 28 exactly to clear this paper ma. Okay, so go through these all topics, start practicing, don't waste the time. We have very less time. So 4 hours minimum you have to spend on one unit. One full unit you have to cover within the 4 hours. Write down all the formulas. If you're doing 2 units, at least 2 units also, no problem. Take one white page, write all the formulas separately, write all the methods neatly, and practice those problems. Inshallah, definitely you will clear this M2 this time. Okay, thank you.